in it. Pull him to the side, let me slide in it.
Alright, y'all, come with me to the city. We about to go on a nice little ride. It's currently 5:11, so we're gonna see what time we get there. Hopefully we get there before 8 o'clock for real. That's what I'm really hoping. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there.
It is 7 o'clock. Because now it's when we be in the city. I'm so over this shit, yo. I'm so over this city shit. It's exactly why I want to be in the city, yo. Why do I gotta be up 7 in the morning to meet my car?
Y'all, we just got to the house. Chill. We got the paraphernalia on. The crib. With the gang, with my twin, we be vibing. Making our way out. In the city.
Yeah, we on the way back to the, well, I'm on the way back. Well, we gotta go to the bank. Then we gotta go to the airport.
We on our way out.
We got a few runs to make before we really head out. So, and I'm trying to see, should I bring these glasses? How do you don't think I need to, but I think the glasses always add a touch.
I'm out of breath, bitch. Wonderful, I like.
Hard to put my camera.
Nigga about to be lit this shit. I'm telling y'all, I'm famous for the end of this year. Mark my words.
That's you, Hannah?
Where?
Yo, send me that video.
Y'all, we just seen Lil Yachty and J.I. We is lit. Come on, mama. We made it, y'all. I'm so excited. Guess where we going? Oh.
Yo, what's up, bro? Alright, son. Yachty, no fucking way. Okay, you try. Alright, y'all. We boarding. After niggas done ran over here. Damn. There's a lot going on.
Let us know. We'll go forward. We're going to Las Vegas.
Listen. Say hi to.
Come on, man. That's what we do. Come on, I ain't gonna back up the money out. Back up.
Yeah, we watching movies.
Come on, man. It's regular shit. Movies everywhere we go. Man, Lil Yachty J.I. I'm about to be there this year.
Oh my gosh.
Lil Yachty J.I. Lil Yachty
Oh
shit.
shit, how you know him?
Yo, that's bro. Man, Constant that been bro, you know. Regular
Never.
shit since school. Since just
wrong. Barely been doing your wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me the tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was.
We done took off already. I got me a little cheese and fruit platter, snack box, of course, ginger ale, cookies, and sun chips. So I gotta show y'all what this snack box looks like.
colors when he ate and shit.
One flavor with another, and something new was created.
That just tastes like the movie, nigga. You know, it tastes like the movie. Alright, y'all, I'm about to eat this food. I'll see y'all later. Vlog. She over there, she got the last chicken salad, y'all. I'm mad. And they go over there drinking white wine. Little crack it is. Strong. I don't really like that one. Maybe I like sweet wine. I don't know. Yeah, take it back. Give it up. Okay, y'all, we just landed. Okay, thank you. Y'all, we just landed. It's funny because the time went. Did it go back? Yeah, the time went back over here. The time did I guys? I think she said 14 or 16.
14 to 16 on the right.
The right. I got the little arcade in here, y'all. How cute.
Alright, I just grabbed everybody's luggage. Cause y'all don't fuck around. Full. Okay. So everybody's shit. Here, I grabbed your suitcase. I grabbed mommy's suitcase. She got another one? Oh, yeah, I grabbed everybody's. Mommy, I got it already.
Where you running to?
You gotta go fix somebody else shit.
I got all of it. I got all of it. All right. Let's go, guys.
They fucked up by no credit score. I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why.
All right, y'all, we got the car. Of course, I'm the driver. Sig picked the biggest truck he wanted me to drive in his life. I don't know why you gonna pick the biggest shit. Yeah, you did. All right, y'all. First stop is the liquor shop. We can get some. I don't really do Amsterdam. I don't want no light liquor. She always having me holding phone for her vlog. No, I'm supposed to be doing that. Come on.
Honey, give me one penny. I get my exact thing back. Yeah.
Small buds for 23%, or like bigger buds even 24%. You know, I've got stuff that ranges around this Kush cake right here actually. Was $70 for half a little mush, or do you feel like that's pretty good?
All right, y'all. You gonna speak in.
I should have just posted at my regular story, not my fucking close friends, and now I can't even save it. Oh wow. I need more stories today. You can do that shit.
Well, I think that this is the best indica, this first one we looked at. I do have this guava ice that a lot of people have been looking at for a little bit more. They actually kind of a Girl Scout cookie kind of a stone there. And I like this New York City diesel, but this is more of a sativa. These are all, like, I think these are all 70 for the half. This one might be cheaper, but I could be wrong.
Yes, can you take it on the plane? Yeah. You can? No. Oh, I didn't know that.
Why I love the Mars.
Vegas. Vegas. Hey. I'm like going to strip tomorrow, throw this whole shit.
Y'all, it's 4:05 in the morning over here. Still the first day. Out to the strip club and all. We outside.
We outside, man. Not in.
All right, y'all. It's 5 in the morning over here. 8 o'clock in the morning over there. Listen, how you feeling? We don't have the time for the first day, yo. Yo, everybody like, yo, it's gonna be bad. It's cold as fuck. I'm so glad I bought a sweater and a jacket. Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday. We're about to go to the store. About to eat some breakfast.
Man, we outside. Vegas. Remember there? Well, fucking got some English baked biscuits. Oh, we chilling, man. We about to go to the airport in a little bit. Get DJ Spazzo. Niggas chilling.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scammer.
My hood, I look like I look.
Drop a couple rights, watch his ass get bigger. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for this fake ass hoe. Talking all loud and I'm making.
So this sitting room right here. Party don't stop till I walk in. Got the chips, candy.
Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl.
As time goes by, an eye for an eye. We in this together, dog, your beef is mine. Whenever my gun rides, the niggas on. Whenever my team rides, the niggas gone. As time goes by, an eye for an eye. The game wasn't partying, but you gon' party now. Yes, you got the fix, the tourniquet, just look at the crowd. Spark up the loud, DJ turn up the sound. I just bring down the house, work it out. This is amazing, my life is a dream that I wish you could see. The hard work between that makes it so special.
Oh yeah, that's my shit right here. I got a little strip club money in here. We gonna make it rain. Fuck it, man. We in Vegas tonight. Niggas never be outside with most wanted in the street. Had a man in the jet, then we took it to police. Niggas tell me I'm the man. They got Sin City on repeat. Used to like every week, but just catch me in the hood. Drop the Addy Visa. And how much niggas on your side? You know that coastal line. A couple niggas on my side crossed it a couple times. Cause everybody's trying to eat, but if you down to ride, I write my stories through.
Yeah.
Good for the hype, right? Beat it up now, bitch, going night, what you like, yeah, tell me what you like, you might be the one that I'm trying to wipe right. Slow down, why you was trying to fight, like, trying to fight, like, tell me some shit that ain't good to know, tell me some shit that ain't good.
Look at this upstairs, y'all.
Ray bought this passed out.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely did. Alright, y'all, we just finished taking pictures and stuff.
Here, take me a couple
we just
more
finished
real
taking.
quick.
Alright, so I'm about to take her some more pictures, even though she took off about we just finished taking pictures. Hold on. For my twin, we be bobbing. We the bestest to do what y'all gonna ever see, probably.
Yeah, definitely that.
Trying to tell them Des.
They just don't know yet like that.
She the designer.
Like that.
I'm the model for the clothes.
Yeah.
Destiny about to be modeling them clothes too. Get it right. Right, guys? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You gotta go higher. Like what? Dude, don't tell me to do not catch it on. What the It's cold, man. I'm hot. Yo, like, all right. You got the key? Yeah, it's in my pocket. You gotta put the windows up, though. No, put it on the outside. We out here enjoying this time. It's funny, like everybody was like, yeah, it's gonna be dumb hot in Vegas. It's gonna be dumb hot and it's cold as fuck.
Cold in here in fucking Vegas.
Especially at nighttime, it get mad cold.
Yo, understand.
What time is it? It's 1:55 right now.
Delicious, authentic Mexican food. This shit do look kind of good. I want a burrito.
Let me see. Seafood don't look appealing to me.
The time we go there, we see Lil Yachty and J.I. All the time niggas go there, but they don't see nobody.
And we was late.
And
we was mad late. We was mad late. About to miss this shit, everything.
I swear, we gonna be rich, bro.
Funny that nigga see Lil Yachty because I always be watching shit like, yo.
And his artist is Bobby. I like his artist, his new artist, his girl. Target. You know the girl artist we talking about. The light
Yeah,
girl.
she be like, what's one of her new shit?
She be like,
I don't know.
oh yeah.
Niggas say, oh yeah.
You be playing her, bro.
I'll be playing her?
Nigga, her shit will be trending on fucking TikTok and shit too. She, what the fuck was it? What the fuck was the name of it?
Look this up right here.
Put on her cypher shit.
What was
She's
it?
like with these niggas.
It's right here.
I don't talk to these niggas. Yeah. Oh, too many niggas.
Oh, that was the nigga that was there?
Yeah, the nigga.
I go to the chicken spot, y'all. I want something to munch on. I couldn't eat again.
Yeah, that food at that Mexican place don't look good.
Oh, okay. 1 o'clock.
Pizzeria right here.
That pizza was you know, cuisine.
This the thing that you was talking about though, right here with the chicken.
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it. Let's just get some chicken for a day.
Yeah, just get some chicken and fries. You just give me some chicken and fries.
Go in there, Huggy.
I'm gonna go in there.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, bring the can. I'm sitting in the car.
I'm outside, man, Vegas. I'm getting some chicken and fries. You got I got chicken and fries. I got chicken and fries. That shit been sitting there. Damn. Good looking, man. At least you kept it real, man. Word. You a real one, man. So that Mexican spot. So what you want to do? That Mexican spot, we gonna go home.
Why? What happened?
He said, y'all black. I ain't gonna do that to y'all. That chicken been sitting here since 7 o'clock.
Oh, shit. At least you kept it a bug.
That's what I said.
Yep, that's exactly what we said.
At least you kept it real, son.
Yeah.
So
It's over. I'm just go to the crib. What y'all think?
I don't want that taco shit. Fuck that. So give me that thing.
Alright, so cool. Just stop there, picking me up.
Look how they violate. Look how they got this damn taco, y'all.
Yeah, give me taking this shit.
What the fuck? They violated. This nigga fucked it up. Look at this nigga.
But look, Keith Lee style. Let me throw a hot Cheeto.
Hot Cheetos and stuff.
Oh shit. I ain't gonna lie,
What's that shit?
presentation fake trash. Everything together is fake a 6 out of 10. I give it a 6. This shit is 6. It ain't that bad. You know niggas is hungry. This shit alright. I ain't gonna
Shit, ass too. I'm trying to eat the taco in between shit.
Look how we actually, y'all.
niggas gonna be shit tomorrow.
What's a 3 out of 10? Burrito definitely 3 out of 10. What the fuck is this? I thought there was rice in there or something. This shit, this not burrito. Bro, look at this shit. Nobody eating this shit.
That's why that's the only shit open.
This is black ain't coming real.
Cause you don't even want to bite that.
Oh shit, man. You look like
You look like that stuff. You getting the pool?
Okay, ma.
I'm getting the pool with the bank report?
Yeah, ma. Period. Dwayne, I know you ain't come here cooking like this. Let me see. All right. So I like to see. Thank you.
Pull that hook over there first. This what we do. The basketball skills with me. Yes, I'm KD. LeBron.
We can do it. I thought we could do Marcel.
KD elbow. Oh,
Wow. Damn.
All of the things I need living inside of me, I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me,
Okay, Dusty. Okay, like, what's that? What up, vlog?
my hair is done for.
That would have been that style. I'm not even mad. I thought that was like, nah. But yeah, you acting mad. I'm like, yo, first of all, let's go. Let's go in the hot tub. Bubble, like that shit's steaming. I'm sitting over there.